Let us look at the difference between structure and class in C++. See, basically structure and class are similar. So I will write one structure and I will give the name of the structure as a demo, and inside this I will declare some variable integer x and integer y, and I will also have a function called display which will display the values of x and y, x and some space and y. So I have a class having two data members x and y and a display function. So this is a I have a structure having data members x and y and a display function which is just displaying values of x and y. Now let us take a variable of type structure, that is demo d, and I can say d dot x assign some value 10 and d dot some value y assign 20, and even I can call the function d dot display. So it works. There's a structure. Yeah, here the output, it is 10, 20. So the values that I have assigned for x and y, they are displayed. Now let us learn about structure and also know what is the difference between structure and class. Already I have an example with me. See, data members are given here and function is also there. So structure is there in C language also, but in C language we can have only data members. We cannot have functions inside a structure. So the difference between a structure of C language and C++ is that in C++, structure can have data members as well as functions. This is the first point. Now next, then second thing, this structure looks more like a class. Yes, in C++, structure is nothing but like a class only. So instead of writing class, I can even use structure. Then what is the difference between structure and a class? Let us look at it now. Now finally we are on the topic, difference between structure and a class. See, I have an object of a structure and I have access everything from the structure. Now instead of struct, I will make it as a class. I got the errors. What is this? X is private member and Y is private member, display is also private member. Oh, so it means that all these became private members and I cannot access all these. So it means when it was structure, what they were accessible. So it means all these are public. Yes, only the difference between structure and class in C++ is that they both are same as it is, except the differences in structure by default everything is public, whereas in a class by default everything is private. So if you want to make anything public, so you have to write public, otherwise everything is private. So that's all. This is the difference between class and a structure. So sometimes you can use a structure also for defining data members and the member functions together.